there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another exciting topic on essentials for boosting our immune system. As we all know, having a strong immune system is essential for overall health and our well-being. So let's dive right into some of the fantastic essential oils that can help support and build our immunity. Before we jump into the specific essential oils, let's take a moment to understand how they can help our immune system. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts, many of which possess properties that can positively impact our immune system. They work to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and support overall wellness. Now let's get to the good stuff. The top essential oils for building a robust immune system. We'll start with the ones that I have probably talked about on this channel before, but let's go ahead and look at these. Number 1, eucalyptus. Now, eucalyptus supports our respiratory health. It helps clear the airways, and it has a refreshing aroma that can really invigorate our senses. Bay laurel is helpful and it improves the circulation, and it has antioxidant properties. This one is known for its uplifting scent, which can promote a positive mood. Now, frankincense, everybody's familiar with this one. It helps to boost the immune system and it promotes overall wellness. It's a very woodsy scent, it's very calming, and it's one that can really help with aiding in relaxation. Now, ginger has a very warming and a spicy fragrance that's both energizing and soothing. Now, melissa is also known as lemon balm. This one possesses antiviral properties and helps to combat stress. It's a sweet and citrusy scent, which is very refreshing and revitalizing. Now, basil supports the respiratory health as well and has antimicrobial properties. This is a very herbaceous aroma that can help promote mental clarity. Bergamot, which is one of my favorites, is a very uplifting fragrance and it helps with the mood and reduces feelings of anxiety and stress. This citrusy and floral scent creates such a cheerful atmosphere. It's one that you definitely want to have. Now, oregano has very powerful antioxidant properties and it supports the immune system. It's a very strong and spicy aroma. Rosemary is known for boosting mental clarity and concentration. It's a very fresh and herbal scent which can invigorate the mind. Now, Roman chamomile calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation. And this is a very gentle and soothing aroma which can aid in stress relief. Lavender, which everyone is familiar with, is known for its calming effects and it helps to promote restful sleep. It has a floral and a very herbaceous scent which is widely loved for its relaxation properties. Now, lemon essential oil provides immune support and it enhances the mood. It has a very zesty, citrusy fragrance and it brings freshness to any space. Now, let's not forget there's another oil, myrrh, which helps to support the immune system and it promotes emotional balance. This one has a very rich and an earthy scent which can create a grounding experience and atmosphere in your home. Pine needle. Have you ever thought about using this one? It actually helps with the respiratory health and it promotes a sense of clarity. This has a very fresh and woodsy aroma. It's reminiscent of being outdoors, and sometimes at Christmas time, this is a nice one to diffuse in your home to give you that fresh outdoors scent. Sandalwood. Now, this one is known to enhance the overall well-being and supports the immune system as well. This one has more of a warming, woodsy fragrance, and it's very, very deeply calming. Now, tea tree, which is also known as melaleuca, is also known for its antibacterial, antiviral properties. And this one has a very medicinal herbal fragrance and can be very refreshing. Another oil that really doesn't get the fanfare that it should is thyme essential oil. Now this one supports the respiratory health and has antimicrobial effects. Okay, now that we have an amazing list of essentials, let's talk about how we can use them effectively for immune support. And there are several ways that you can incorporate these into your daily routine. Number one is diffusing. Now this means that you're just simply going to add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to a diffuser to enjoy the aromatic benefits throughout the space of your home. Now for topical application, you're going to want to dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your skin, such as your wrist, neck, or chest. Of course, you can always just inhale the oil directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a tissue or a bowl of hot water to breathe in. And lastly is one of my favorite methods, and that's mixing it into a bath. Now you can place several drops of essential oil with a carrier oil or an unscented bath gel and add it to your bath water for a relaxing experience. Well, there you have it. That was a list of essential oils that can help you to build a strong and resilient immune system. Remember, these essential oils are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle and not to be a substitute for medical advice. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already, so that you'll stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video. Stay healthy and happy. And if you haven't already, please feel free to visit our website at aromahut.com.